It's Ken from First Try, and I'm going to be trying to teach myself useless skills. First skill I'm going to be trying to teach myself is how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute. Let's go. This first attempt, I'm just going to be trying to solve it and see how long it takes me, and then that way we can see how much work I need to get it under a minute. So here we go. I've got the stopwatch right here, and I've got the cube right here. So we're just going to go ahead and start it in 3, 2, 1. I'm not sure how long it's been, but I'm about halfway done. We're just gonna keep going. Almost there. And boom, done. There you have it, minute 18. After my first attempt, I'm about 18 seconds away from getting a minute, and I just have to get under that. So now all I gotta do is train and practice, and that means it's time for a training montage.
1, 2, 3, 4.
After a lot of failed attempts with the old Rubik's Cube, I looked around and I found a little bit nicer one that turns a lot faster. So this time we're going to be try solving it with this cube to see if it makes any difference. Let's do this. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Oh, our first attempt with the new cube, we got a minute, 1 second, this close. We're almost there. So we're gonna just keep trying and hope we get it soon. We almost got it. And stop. Oh, and there you have it. They're 58.99 seconds, under a minute, solving a Rubik's Cube, first try. There you have it, useless skill number 1, solving a Rubik's Cube in under a minute. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. Peace out.